he was running.
Oh shit, the seagull got me. Get him out of here. Can you get him? Ah, that's right. Ah. Oh, that sucker's stuck.
Chewy.
They're strong too. God dang.
What?
That's gross.
That is fucking...
Yep. I get you. Yeah, you got me.
My bad. In the hat?
Yeah, except you knocked the snot out of me.
A little love tap on the hat.
That was not a love tap. You smacked the crap out of me. God, did I get you? Oh. That was a good one too.
Oh, that's got a little well. Look at that.
Yeah, one second. Let me get
Here, 1 second. Feel that in a minute. I said though we get another bite.
That was like the same size as that.
Get in here. There you go.
Got him.
That was sacrifice for that well. Look at that.
Come off. Come off. There we go. See?
Price you pay. That frog is coming so fast. Fight off the small bass for a little bit. I got bottoms, but broke toes.
I don't think I have any, otherwise I'd let you use mine.
It ain't that big a deal. I made plenty today.
Yeah, he shit in front of my camera.
Did he really?
At Brookville. On day 2 in Brookville, he farted, and it was like really loud. And I put him on there. That's what he's. I forgot about that.
That's hilarious.
He got you in the nuts too.
I did. Right in the right nut. Whew. I saw it coming too, and I just...
It's slow motion?
Yeah. I've never done that before.
Good for you.
That'll wake you up.
Put a little hair on your chest.
Thank God it was only a quarter ounce.
Oh, shoot.
I was thinking about that guy, like, oh, you got on YouTube for farting. I got on YouTube for knocking myself in the ball.
Oh, yeah. That might make the end of the year bloopers real. Yeah, I got that one. That's a problem. No way, dude. It just ripped it out. I got it. We got it wrapped up in your rod.
That is a trophy fox.
We got a mess here, bud.
I know.
I got him.
I'm so glad you got that.
Well, I seen it. I saw it get stuck in your rod, and I was like, I just need to get this thing in the boat.
Yeah.
That was good, Rod. That was good. Oh, that was not good. That brought tore a hole in the bottom of the boat. Damn, that was rock, wasn't it?
It was something.
We'll find some more areas like this. There's a lot of fish. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise.
Yeah. Mayonnaise a lot of fish in here.
Mayonnaise. No, I had that fishing line and that rod. I about put that rod in the water. Oh, I just hate that everybody else is gonna be up there. You know?
Right.
Oh, I about hit that thing. Oh, I'm gonna catch it too. Oh.
Start off.
Yep. That's the sign to quit throwing a wacky rig right there. See that?
Oh yeah. You throw it off again?
Yeah. First cast. I'm good.
Bad habit of jerking on sticks.
Yeah.
Just leaving it in there.
I do too. Got one now?
I got that one.
That's funny. I just said that. So I didn't jerk on that stick and I hooked him.
Nice.
Nice.
You got a pike again?
It's not moving. I don't know what it is. Same stick. It's the dreaded stick bass.
Now it's done. Yeah. I'm going swimming, Rod. Going swimming. What do you think?
That's not going to do any good. Is it?
Oh, it's a little chilly.
Oh, okay. Well, we're floating now.
Yep.
All you had to do is walk over there.
No. I knew I had to. I thought I had to get close to that that metal thing, but I guess I didn't. Oh, that one! I just got to splash up into the nuts. Woo! I had kept them dry, and then when I hopped back in, I got them. Woo.
Pretty like it didn't move when you set the hook.
Gosh, dang it. Look at how that came back. I super glued my weight in there and that's how it came back.
Big one? Yeah. I could have swore that water is tinted. Could have swore it was a brown one.
Keep it.
Oh, no, don't do that.
That's not good.
Stupid.
Uh-oh, that broke the rod.
Did you hit the boat whenever it came back or something? Or?
No, my weight came flying back and hit my
God dang it, they weren't mine.
We're killing it today. That's 2 broken rods and 2 broken rods in 2 hours.
That's right.
Less than 2 hours. Broke another rod.
Huh?
Broke the tip off that one. Not the tip, but just the eyelid.
Oh, the centerpiece.
That one's easy to repair. Alright, well, I have to try this on something. 3 rods down. We're killing it today, aren't we?
Whoa.
That's straight rock there.
Wow.
Don't think we're getting through there. Let's get a fish off of it.
I haven't been in here since they finished the bridge.
I think they just put all that shit down there.
Oh, I think so.
Why do we live in Indiana? Golly.
Whoa! Oh my god.
Sorry.
You about killed me there.
Yeah.
That was fun. Think he'll go 12?
I think so. Yeah, he was running.
Oh shit, the seagull got me. had my fluke in his mouth.
Really?
The seagull did. Luckily, I didn't get a hook in him. Holy smoke, my baby. Ah, yeah. You did take a bath.
Took a bath. Now I'm wetter than a blizzard on it.
Wedding night. Okay. Now you're cold, huh?
What weight you got on?
Oh, did I get you? Gotcha. Where you at?
Right in the front. I'm alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was just on
Okay.
Sorry about that.
I think you'll keep.
Right the bush with him. I don't. Scared the shit out of you, didn't it?
Yeah, I did.
Got on that one pretty good, didn't we? Oh, I just went farther on
I think there's a stump there.
it. There is a stump there. You're right. There is a stump there.